Ever wondered how to turn your passion into a paycheck? To break free from the 9-to-5 grind and control your own destiny? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of freelancing and provide practical tips on how you can get started in your specific area of expertise. Picture this: the freedom to choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects that truly ignite your passion. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the right approach, you can turn this dream into a reality. The first step is to identify your marketable skills. These are the skills that set you apart from the crowd, the skills that others are willing to pay for. Maybe you're a wizard with words, a master of marketing, or a web development whiz. Whatever your talent, there's a market out there for it. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to set your rates. This can be a tricky process. You don't want to undersell your services, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. Research is key here. Take a look at what others in your field are charging and use this as a benchmark. Next, you need to create a standout portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your skills and impress potential clients. Include examples of your best work and don't be afraid to highlight any testimonials or positive feedback you've received. Now you're ready to start looking for work. There are plenty of online platforms where you can find freelance gigs. Sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to start. But don't limit yourself to these platforms. Networking is a powerful tool in the freelance world. Reach out to contacts in your industry and let them know you're available for freelance work. Remember, freelancing isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Be selective with the projects you take on. Don't be afraid to say no if a project isn't a good fit. And always, always prioritize quality over quantity. And there you have it, a roadmap to kickstart your freelance career. It's not an easy path, but it's one that's filled with potential. With determination, creativity, and a bit of savvy, you can make freelancing work for you. So, are you ready to take the leap? To ditch the office cubicle and embrace the flexibility of freelancing? It's a journey, and like any journey, it's one that's best experienced firsthand. So come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Thanks.